Hey guys, this is 26th February, and what I have learned today is that I actually went for like 1.5 hour, and what I learned is that like with pickup and everything, just like what you what 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 like I'm creating is that certainty, and like for a lot of time it was like me being like accurate, me giving the correct information, but that's like it doesn't work. What works is that being like so much certain, and people just look for their certainty. It's like kind of safety, but it's just that thing that you're like unshakable, and you can be like soft around it. That's like so crazy, and I think that's what I'm looking for. But like for that, I have to be certain with myself, whatever I am doing, and it takes some time. Just basically like unplugging that thing that was I was discussing. That thing about what was it? Yeah, the Netflix and chill one. When you're like stressed out, you just like go for Netflix or YouTube just to chill, and it's like a marketing. It's like that thing that is like in your brain, and you just like working on that, and basically in my whole life, I like feel certain with a lot of things, a lot of friends, and a lot of finding happiness from others. That's like finding certainty from others, and just chasing it and just getting it from somewhere else, from society or around the world, and it doesn't work. It's like not a long term thing. So I'm like finding it in myself, and it's been quite good journey so far. And how I got this idea, I'm just there was one friend and who I was just very envy, and this guy had like fucking amazing certainty, and you just can't tell it. It's like a little bit different, just like they're like very easy with themselves, but maybe he has not, he has gone to the pain of staying alone and stuff like that, but that made him so much certain about himself, and it just projects themselves, it just puts him first than anything else. And like my state of mind is like that right now, just like I was putting others first. Now just like what I want, and I'm just getting aware on like multiple levels that that's where I was just like lacking my certainty. For example, it could be like chasing a person, or anything like XYZ, just looking for the permission, etc., getting the validation and stuff like that. I'm like not 100% out of it, but however, like my awareness is just like increasing, and as my awareness, I'm just like finding these things that I'm not certain, and I'm just like unplugging it, and also like part of the thing, like these also helped me, like my coach also helped me in this, and yeah, I think that's about it. I'll just like conclude it with this one, and it's like a big part. It's like there's nowhere, like just it just feels different, and then after that you just like do whatever you want, and that's also very crucial for trading also, and not for automated but like for mechanical thing. Just like puts you in the zone, just like puts you in the state. That's what I define as state. Is that the thing that you're like just unplugging, you're just unplugged from everything else, and you're just like doing what you want, unplugged from everything else. And some people have different experience on it, but this is my experience, and yeah, I think that's about it for today. I'm going to end now. Hope you like this one. Please do like, share and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. And like I'm just feeling very ease while just doing this. It's good.